I'm at a point in my life where I need a change. I've been spending some of my days off filling out applications online, faxing my resumes to whoever has a job ads out there. And then it's so encouraging to hear like responses, when you get a phone call or an email back. And the only thing that I don't like about these emails sometimes, you wonder if these job ads are truly legit. Sometimes they will reply by saying, "Oh, hi there. Thank you for inquiring about the job ad. I got your resume and I'm reading it over. But before I could set up an interview with you in person, you must answer these questions." And then the questions will be like, name, where do you live? Where are you working now, and what are your duties at that job now, and blah 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 blah. And I'm like, if you read my resume like you claimed that you did, why are you asking all these things that are already answered on my resume? So why are they asking again? I tried to entertain it one time by answering, but I never got a reply back. So you could tell that these people are fake. They just want information. And that really pisses me off. So if you're one of those people that read my resume or claim to have read it, please give me a call, okay? I'm not gonna answer your reply questions through email, okay? Got that?